Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
Morning and happy March 4th to you. Temperatures outside are warmer. It was a fantastic weekend. A look yesterday out over Rogers and Bentonville. What a beautiful day it was, right? We had some cloud cover that moved in late. The clouds are rolling back in this morning. I'll show you that on the satellite and radar. It was nice out there. Look at the flags though, man. Those things were whipping around in the wind. We had strong gusty winds, not only in Rogers and in Bentonville, but we also had some strong winds in UA Fort Smith this Sunday afternoon, showing the clear skies. I mean, wasn't it warm in Fort Smith? We got really toasty. It was beautiful though, with sunny skies. Rain chances are going to ramp back. Ooh, look at that stuff. Have you been sneezing lately? Ay, ay, ay. I just made a run to get my Allegra, my Flonase. I'm hitting it with both. Maybe you're on the Claritin too. The allergies don't look like they're going to go away anytime soon. Matter of fact, you'll notice that the allergies are at their worst on the windiest days, which is a day like yesterday and a day like today as well. Let's look out the window. This is a live look looking northbound from Uptown Rogers out towards Bentonville. It's been a nice overnight, a little bit on the mild side. Temperatures continue to trend warm this morning. As you step outside, we're looking at high temperatures as we go throughout our day, only reaching into the 70s. It's not going to be close to 80 like it was yesterday. That's mostly due to the cloud cover that's out there, but it's a mild start. It's a nice finish, and then those rain chances are going to pick back up. So what's happening out there right now? This is the look at the satellite. This is the infrared satellite. You can see a front just to our west, northwest, and I'll show you the fronts coming up. But as we head into the next 24 hours, cloud cover will increase, and we'll also have that chance of seeing some showers as well as some thunderstorms as early as tonight, maybe even this afternoon, but really for tonight and then tomorrow morning. This front that's out there to our north, this thing's going to stall somewhere around central Arkansas. So rain chances are going to hold in the forecast for us, though, throughout the week, and I think the heaviest is Thursday and Friday as the moisture starts to push back up from the southwest with a stronger system. Tonight's front is a really super duper quick one, but you can see those clouds, they really rushed back in this morning. Still some breaks here and there, but some clouds around Fort Smith, Rogers, Fayetteville, again, all embedded within that next system. The active subtropical jet stream down here, you can see those clouds moving from the southwest to northeast. That's really a moisture and water-laden type air mass, which is indicative of some heavy rainfall. So let's talk fronts. What do we expect to see and what happens next? Well, this is a look at where we are now. So remember, we have that front to our north out across Kansas. You have those isobars lined up. They're fairly spaced out, so it's not 30-mile-an-hour winds, at least not yet. And then as we go through lunchtime today, the chance of rain starts to pick up, but it's not heavy. The dry line's to the west. Here comes the front. By this evening, the front's around Tulsa, pushing east. That light green is scattered showers. Not everybody sees rain. Not all the real estate gets peppered from this. And then tonight around midnight, you can see the dark green in central Arkansas. This is where the heavier rain chances as well as the severe weather chances are going to be. This is midnight tonight. So midnight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, still looking at some small rain chances. The front has already moved through by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, it starts stalling. You can see the low right there in northeast Texas. And then as we head into Wednesday, there's not much change out there. That low just kind of migrates. This is Thursday. So Thursday's rain chances pick back up. And the reason for this is you can see that low, it spins counterclockwise. So what we're ending up with is that counterclockwise spin here. And with that, you're getting that moisture that's getting pulled back up from southwest to northeast. That's going to lead to not only a severe weather risk, but also some high rain totals. The severe weather risk for tonight and tomorrow morning, it's marginal. On a scale of 1 to 5, it's a 1. It's not that high. And I would go a step farther and say the higher risk is in central and southern Arkansas, more so than northwest Arkansas or the Fort Smith area. And as far as rain totals go, I looked at the next 5 days for this week, and I'm thinking rain totals, at least on the data, it's showing about 1 and 2 inches. The majority of this is not tonight and tomorrow. The majority of this rainfall actually occurs Thursday and Friday. Those 2 days might be a washout for us. We're looking at a lot of rain later on in the week. I'll keep you updated on severe weather should anything pop up or break out this week. We do have that possibility of seeing some storms later on in the week. I don't think this is a big severe weather week, though. It doesn't really have the feel of a spring outbreak or anything like that. This is mostly like a showery pre-Easter rain, which is basically what it is. So rain chances pick up this week. Make sure and have an umbrella handy, especially on Thursday and Friday. You'll hear some thunder. The chances of severe weather are not that high, but there is at least a low-end severe weather risk. Scale of 1 to 10, it's a 5. And then as we head into latter half of the week, rain chances pick back up. Hey, the good news, though, I looked at the extended. The weekend, you guys are going to love it. Looks awesome next weekend. Like this weekend, only a lot cooler, probably 50s and 60s as opposed to 70s and 80s. Have a great Monday.